Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 4 of programming in HTML5 basic headings. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need to do is go all the way down to the dock, click on the Finder, make sure we are in Documents, navigate to the folder, locate the text file, index.html, open with text edit, close out of Finder, increase the size of the text edit, Command plus a couple of times so we can see the text in a bigger font. And now we are ready to insert more code and then execute the file to see the web page. In this tutorial, we are looking at basic headings, so I can now remove the paragraph code, highlight, backspace. This is a heading. We can copy this, Command C, Command V, not once, but 5 times. So now we have 6 headings. Change H1 to 2, the next line to number 3, to number 4, to number 5, and to number 6. And then on the right hand side, do the same thing. So now we have 6 headings on screen. The HTML headings are defined with the H1 and H6 tags. H1 defines the most important heading, whereas H6 defines the least important heading. Now we can Command S and save the document. Go back to Finder, click on the folder HTML5, which is in Documents. Right click index.html, open with Safari. And this is what we should see on screen. Heading 1 all the way to 6. This one on top stands out the most because it has a bigger font itself, whereas the one on the bottom, very small text. Close out of Safari, out of Finder, and text edit. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.